Hey, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Here's one for all you rockers out there that want to play Back in Black on an acoustic guitar. And that's coming up. Welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, have a look around. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe for more guitar tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So let's get to it. Since we're going to learn this song on an acoustic guitar, if you were playing an electric guitar, you'd be using power chords, which if you want to learn power chords, check this video out right here. But since we're playing an acoustic guitar, we're going to use open chords for the most part, and I'm going to show you which ones we have. They are an E, an A, a D, and a B, and a G. So if you listen to the recording of ACDC's Back in Black, at the beginning you hear and he's just keeping tempo. And what we want to do is just put your hands across the strings lightly and count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it starts with an E. So we just hit the E down one time. And we're going to use this part of your hand a lot to mute the strings. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E. And then it goes to D. And it's down, up, down. Then it goes to A. Down, up, down on the A. Then it's, which is the 3rd fret of the E string, and then open, E string, B string, 3rd fret, pick that, and then B string open, which is the 2nd string, G string, pick that on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. Then we go to the 2nd fret of the G string and open G string. Back to E. So where we're at is so after you do that, it goes, we're on the 5th string, 2nd fret, which is a B. Then we go to the G sharp on the 6th string, 4th fret. We're going to toggle back and forth from the B to the G sharp, from the B to the A, from the B to the A sharp, from the B to the B. So you're going to need to use your pinky on the 6th string. Start out with the 3rd finger on that 4th fret. When you're starting out, that right there is hard to do. So we can change that, and what we can do is, since we know we're playing a B, a G sharp, an A sharp, B, let's find them in this area so we don't have to stretch our fingers out so much. But if you need to strengthen your fingers and so they can make that move there, check out this video here to strengthen your fingers. So what we're going to do is B, G sharp on the 6th string, 4th fret. Then we're going to go to the A. Then we're going to go the 1st fret of the 5th string. And then hit the B twice. So it's B. It would help if you knew the notes on the fretboard, so check out over at YourGuitarGuide.com the 11 steps to learn the notes on the fretboard. I'll leave a link in the description area below so you can check that out and learn the notes. That way you know you can switch it up. So we're going to play B on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, 4th fret, back to the B, 6th string, 5th fret, 1st fret, 5th string, and then hit the B twice. Then we want to play the E again after you get that first little riff. Does it again. So after it does that, it goes into a pre-chorus of A, and then E, and then B, and then A. This is a fast tempo song, so instead of playing the A like this, you're going to play it like this. You're going to use one finger on strings 4, 3, and 2. And we'll go to the E. So A, go to the E, and then it's a B. This is how you make a B. We're not going to be concerned with this finger here because it's fast. So all we want to do is cover strings 4, 3, and 2 on the 4th fret. Then back to the A. So it's A, E, B, A, B, A, E, B, A, B. Does this twice. So it's A, E, B, A, B. Then it does it again. A, E, B, A, B. And then, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite ACDC song is. Next chord progression is, so it's G, D, A. It's A over G with the G in the bass. So just pick the 3rd fret of the 6th string. G, D, A. So after, hit the A again. G, D, A. Kind of pull it a little bit. Hit the A again. So all together it's like this. A, E, I didn't go over this too quick. If I did, just hit the rewind button and check it out again. And check out this video right here.